Hello friends, it's about time to get started working on my 81 Impala. It's been sitting here for, I don't know, about 9 years now. I have changed the front. It used to have a different style front end. That is from a Caprice Classic. I liked it a little better, so I changed it. Starting to rust a little bit. I tried to protect the windshield from the trees. It's worked a little bit. I'm going to clean out the interior. This is going to be a series of different videos. I'm going to clean out the interior, get it all working again. I've been using the trunk as a workspace to clean other items. I've also changed the rear for the 1986 through 1990 style taillights, which I have in the trunk. So I thought they looked a lot better than the 1981 Impala taillights. Those are the taillights there. I have a lot of work to do on it. This trunk is from a different car that I used to have. These were both US cars. They were not sold here in Mexico. So this is going to be a lot of work. Trunk shocks never worked. The body is pretty straight except for the rust. And I'm going to put the car back together, get it running again. It was always a very smooth running 305. Never gave me any mechanical problems other than the air conditioning system, which nobody could figure out how to keep working. But this is going to be our next little project. And this one here, 1965 Buick Wildcat. When the car was imported into Mexico, it was a two-door fastback. Somebody here in Mexico cut the roof off of it, actually put the convertible top in it, and it was a convertible top. I didn't pay that much attention to it when I bought the car until later on when I realized it's not a real convertible. But I didn't pay much for the car, so it didn't matter anyway. Oh, got my spider there wants to take over the whole car. We're gonna see about that. But this one here, I've got all the parts to put back on, and I don't know if I want to leave the car like it is, maybe leave the doors white, paint the rest of it black, so I can put one of my light bars on it. Anna, you can cut all that out where the camera fell. That was not good. Anyway, here we go again. So I'm gonna maybe make this a police car. I know people don't like fake police cars, and it's probably not a good idea to drive around with a fake police car in Mexico. But I want to play with the overhead lights. I think my neighbors deserve that, to sit outside their house at 1 o'clock in the morning with all the emergency lights flashing in front of their house. So we are going to see where we go from this. This was just an introduction. The next video, hopefully I'll be able to get some work done. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Actually, subscribe first, then do the rest. Bye.